Gypsy crochet tutorial. Next, crochet flowers. Part of the flowers are curled. Circle your middle finger. Pinch the intersection. Crochet into the ring. Bring the line out. Next, hook 3 lock pins. Crochet winding with coil. First lock pin, second lock pin, third lock pin. Then reverse the hook twice. Crochet thread. Bring the wire. Crochet winding with 2 coils. First short needle, next needle. Keep hooking short stitches. The second short needle is then pulled within the ring. Crochet into the ring. Bring the wire straight through the upper coil of crochet. A petal completed, and then we hook 4 more petals as a rule. 5 petals in total. Hook 3 lock pins first. 2 back hooks, 2 short needles. In ring promotion. Second petal. Complete, 5 petals hooked. Elongate the coil. Find the hooked thread. Tighten the coil. Disconnect. 1 completed. The number of 1 needed can be increased or decreased freely. Assemble 5 mm wire into the back. Fold the wire in half. Fixed. Disconnect. Glue 0.3 厘米 pearls. 9 flowers are fixed with thread winding. Add no 2 flower pole. Wrap to the bottom and fix. Gypsy complete.